Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to turn off hyphenation in InDesign. So let's get started the video. Open your document and navigate to the text where you want to turn off hyphenation. Go to the window menu, select Type and Tables, then Paragraph. In the paragraph panel, simply uncheck the box labeled Hyphenate, and that's how you can turn off hyphenation in InDesign. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.